Hello friends, Namaste. My name is Pravesh and I am a chartered accountant. In this video, I am going to discuss about two different types of insurance policy. One is term insurance policy and another is health insurance policy. We will see the difference between these two policies in 5 different headings, namely events covered, the terminology that are used, the third one is terms and conditions of the policies, and the fourth one is the amount of premium that you pay, and the fifth one is areas which are covered by the insurance policy. First heading will be event covered, but इसके लिए हमें इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव समझना पड़ेगा. टर्म इंश्योरेंस का उद्देश्य ये है to provide the financial support to the family members of a person who has died, where health insurance का जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है to provide the financial support in case of medical emergency. तो event covered क्या हुए? In case of term insurance, death would be the event that is covered by the insurance policy, whereas in case of medical insurance, the medical emergency would be the event covered by the policy. Health insurance के केस में you will incur certain medical expenses and hospitalization expenses which will be reimbursed by the insurance company, or it can be cashless. That means the direct payment will be made by the insurance company to the hospital. Okay. The second difference is about the terminology used. In case of term insurance, we use the word sum assured. इसका मतलब ये है आपको certain amount assure किया जाएगा in event of death. This much amount will be paid to the family and that is pre-decided. That will not change. That will not be further assessed. Okay. However, in case of health insurance, the term used is sum insured. That means this is the maximum amount that the insurance company is going to pay. For example, अगर आपका इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी का अमाउंट है 10 लाख और आपका एक्सपेंस जो हो जाता है हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन एंड मेडिकल वगैरह 2 लाख, तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आपको 2 लाख रुपए ही देगी. बट इन अनदर एग्जाम्पल, इफ द सम इंश्योर्ड इज 10 लाख and you have incurred expenses of 12 lakh rupees in the hospital, then the insurance company will pay only 10 lakh rupees. That is the maximum amount that has been insured. So यहाँ पे आपको कितना मिलेगा? 2 लाख, और यहाँ पे आपको कितना मिलेगा? 10 लाख. The third difference is about the premium that is to be paid, and this one is very crucial one because it is a financial decision. In case of term insurance, it is relatively cheaper and can be afforded by a lot of people. Whereas in case of health insurance, they are considered costly, especially after a certain age. And another thing, term insurance premium जो हैं साल दर साल सेम रहते हैं throughout the term. But in case of health insurance, एज बैंड के साथ साथ वो बढ़ता जाता है. जैसे 25 to 35 के एज बैंड में सेम रहेगा, बट उसके बाद फिर 35 to 45 में बढ़ेगा. उसके बाद फिर 5 साल में आपका जो इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम का अमाउंट है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो दिस गोज ऑन. दिस मीन्स इन केस ऑफ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, प्रीमियम इज नॉट सेम थ्रू आउट द टर्म ऑफ द पॉलिसी. चौथा जो डिफरेंस है, दैट इज इन रिलेशन टू द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस दोज आर यूज्ड इन दिस टू डिफरेंट पॉलिसीज. टर्म इंश्योरेंस जो है समझने में थोड़ा सिंपल है. इसमें प्रीमियम पेबल, ग्रेस पीरियड, इवेंट कवर्ड, ये सारी चीज़ें आसानी से समझ आ जाता है. ऑन द अदर साइड, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है. उसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझने को रहता है. जैसे each hospital you have to use the treatments that are covered by the policy, the plan that you have chosen, maybe between the individual plan and the floated plan, और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. तो ये कंपेरेटिवली टर्म इंश्योरेंस से कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है. इसीलिए पॉलिसी होल्डर पॉलिसी लेने से पहले एक बारी प्रोफेशनल्स की सहायता लें और फिर हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस खरीदें अपने लिए, विच वन इज सुइटेबल फॉर यू. द फिफ्थ difference is very interesting one, that is the area which is covered. Generally, in case of health insurance, the policyholder cannot ask for the amount if the treatment has been made outside the country. That means only those treatment which are made within the country are covered by these policies. But उसका भी एक exception है. If the policyholder has taken a rider for global coverage, then wherever he have made the treatment, he can get the reimbursement. But it depends upon the terms and conditions that are used there in the policy. Whereas in case of term insurance, there is no such condition. It is independent of place of occurrence of event. If the person dies outside the country as well, the family member is going to get the policy amount. However, there can be certain special circumstances as an exception, like war zone, etc. But the general condition is it does not matter where the person has died. So these were the basic differences between these two policies. If you have ample information, then you can go buy the policies for you and your family members today. However, before buying any policies, you must retain a lot of information that are important for your decision making process. If you do not have full access to the information, please go to the agents or the professionals that are helping in this regard. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. I hope this video have helped you. And finally, don't forget to give us feedback